Hello and welcome again to another recipe video. This is a very juicy, delicious, and what other word do I use? Very nice chicken. You will love it. So let me show you how I made the chicken and the ingredients I used. The first thing I'll be doing is to mix up the dry ingredients. So you'll be seeing the list on the screen here. You can take note of it. I'm adding onions and all the paprika, all the thyme, all the pepper and salt and all of that. So when I'm done with the dry ingredients, we'll add the wet ingredients. But before then, I just want to welcome everyone back to the video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always stopping by to watch my videos. And I hope you always learn a thing or two from my recipes. I'm sure you do learn something from it. So you're welcome again. And how are you guys doing? How is everything around you? I hope you're all doing fine. And I'm also doing fine over here. So I'm just mixing the dry ingredients like I said. You'll be seeing the list of all the ingredients. And then after that, we'll be adding a special ingredient that makes this grilled chicken delicious. Just hang around and watch out for it, okay? So guys, after mixing the dry ingredients properly, I'll be adding my secret ingredients, and that's Greek yogurt. So just find any Greek yogurt you can afford, whether sweetened or unsweetened. You can use any of them, and you'll be adding some scoops into the dry ingredients that you've already mixed, and that is going to take the chicken to another creamy, juicy, delicious level. Okay, so just mix the Greek yogurt properly, and then we'll use it to marinate the chicken before grilling. Very simple, very easy process. Just try this recipe and let me know what you think about it, because for me, I love variety. Like, I don't like eating a particular thing over and over again. I love to try different methods of making something, right? So you guys can try it out and let me know what you think about it. All right. So for the lemon, the reason why I'm adding lemon is because lemon adds a kind of beautiful flavor to almost anything you add it to. So lemon is going to be upgrading the whole flavor to another level, and it's just simply amazing. The combination is amazing. Okay? All right. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great-grandmother's smile. We came a long way, but we ain't slowing down. We got a strong pace, no, we ain't losing ground. We won't give up and we won't turn around. Wide world we're living in. Yeah, I'll keep running until I discover it. I know I've got I know I've got can't be wasting my time. You make friends all along the way, to break bread on another day. Always there to give you advice, help you find the wrong from the right. Even when you're not in their sight, you'll be alright. Just look at the big wide world we're living in. Yeah, just keep running until you discover it. Yeah, you'll be amazed at how far we can go. So what are we waiting for? I know I've got
So guys, just by looking at the chicken, you know it is delicious. Like well cooked, well marinated, just so delicious. I would love you to try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Until I see you again in my next video, stay blessed. Bye.